One of my favorite products from the Puretrim collection is the Experience. The Experience helps with cleansing the colon, promotes regularity, and it even can give you a flatter belly. But what I really love is the results that I get. So what's important when you're trying to detoxify the body or lose weight, you've got to be regular. We've got to clean the colon, because if the colon isn't clean, we're not fully detoxifying. So it's so important to take this on a regular basis. So let me show you how to use it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take 1 capsule at bedtime with a glass of water. In the morning, you're gonna wanna see some results. You're gonna wanna have a good bowel movement. Now the next day, if you don't have a good bowel movement, you'll increase your dosage to 2 capsules before bedtime. Again, now if you're still not getting the results you need to feel empty and having a good bowel movement, increase your dosage to 3 capsules. It's that easy. Now there's 2 ways to take the capsules of Experience. One is you just take it straight with a glass of water like you normally would, just the capsule with 1 glass of water before bedtime. Or what you can do is you can open it up and pour some hot water into it and make a tea out of it. So it's really easy, you just put that in there. What I love about when you put the capsules in, you can control the dosage. So let's just say you want to increase your dosage to 1.5 capsules, you can do that with the tea. So you take some boiled water and you just pour it into the glass, like that. And you're gonna stir it up and enjoy it as a tea. Now, something else I really like to do sometimes is to give it a little extra flavor, a little bit of sweetness, is to just add some honey. Just put some honey on a spoon to your liking and stir it up and enjoy it. It actually tastes pretty good. So remember to be consistent when you take Experience, because the more consistent you are with the product, the less you might actually need to take it, because your body becomes stronger, it becomes more cleansed, and your dosage can actually start to decrease. So maybe after a few months, you're gonna go down from 3 capsules to 2 capsules. And then a couple months after that, it might just be down to 1 capsule a day. So really, it's gonna make your body stronger, more cleansed and detoxified, so you'll need less and less. I've been hearing stories about people who are able to take it less and less, and even after a year of being on it, they're doing it maybe once every other day. So Experience definitely works. It helps people get results, and you feel better and better and stronger. So if you're somebody who wants to be more regular, cleanse your colon, have a flatter belly, then you must be consistent with Experience. The one thing I love about the new Puretrim Fit app is it reminds me every single day with a text message when to take my Experience. So I'm always consistent, I never forget, and when I do, the app reminds me.